Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chanelle Novosey. Today I'm coming to you with another cooking video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fajitas with HelloFresh. If you guys have seen my video with them before, you know that they are a meal prep service plan which provides quick and easy meals for you. If you're a busy individual like myself and you don't really have time to hit up the grocery store and to come home and cook, this plan works amazing. They give you 3 meals, 2 servings per box, which is awesome. I don't have to rush over to the grocery store and try and figure out what I'm going to cook. And their meals are super tasty. I love them. I'm going to be showing you how to make fajitas today. I'm going to follow the instructions on the back here. Super easy to do, should take you no longer than 30 minutes to hit up. I do love that they proportion everything out so that you don't have to do, all the prep work for everything. My cilantro comes in a little package, as well as like the cheese and stuff. So it doesn't allow you to waste food, which I love about them. So I'll show you guys how I make my fajitas. So I just saw this when I was unloading my box. HelloFresh does a Thanksgiving Day box. That is pretty cool. It can feed up to 8 to 10 guests, starting at only $14.90 a serving while supplies last. Make sure to check them out if you need a HelloFresh box for Thanksgiving. So first, I'm going to cut my onion in half. Next, you're going to peel the skin off of your onion, and then go ahead and dice your onion. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the onions in a bowl, and then I'll just store the rest. So next, I'll go ahead and chop up my tomato. Next, I'm going to take my red bell pepper and I'm going to slice this up as well. I'm going to use the super slicer to zest my lime. So then I'll go ahead and I'll cut my lime into 2 halves. Next, I'm going to take my cilantro and I'm going to dice it up. So next, I'm going to take a separate bowl and I'm going to make a salsa. I'm going to put my tomatoes, onions, and also my lime zests, and then I'll go ahead and squeeze some lime juice in it. I'll set my salsa aside and complete the rest of the dish. Next, I will take my other onion half and I'll slice this up. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cook my red bell peppers as well as my onions. So I'll take 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and place it into my skillet. And I'm going to add my sliced onions and bell peppers. So I'm going to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes, and just to soften them up, you don't want them to get too cooked. So while my veggies cook, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to slice up my pork. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add another drizzle of oil to my pan. Tablespoon. So once your pork has been browned, I'm going to go ahead and add my veggies. Next, I'm going to add this Southwest spice blend, and then squeeze the other half of your lemon into your meat and your veggies. And you're going to go ahead and mix them all together. So next, I'm going to take a damp paper towel and I'm going to wrap these, and then I'm going to place these into the microwave for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plate my dish. I'm going to place my tortilla at the bottom and then take some of my pork and my veggies and place it on the bottom of that. And you can make your pork slices smaller. Mine were pretty thick. And you're going to add your salsa. Add as much cheese as you desire. And it also comes with 2 sour cream packets. I do not eat sour cream, so I won't be adding that. Here's what your dish will look like once you've went ahead and you fully finished your fajita. Now for the moment of truth, I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. Yes. Very good. The flavors. Super good. I love it. This tastes amazing. You can taste the fresh salsa, and then the cheese gives it a nice hint. It's not too much. It settles very well on the tongue. I love the seasoning that's on top of the pork. Everything tastes super fresh. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and get my grub on. Check out HelloFresh, you guys. I will have a coupon code listed in the description box, so be sure to check that out. But if you're watching this video and you are not subscribed to my channel, take a minute, hit the subscribe button, and you guys also make sure you hit the notification bell. I've been having quite a few subscribers say that they were not alerted when I'm uploading new videos. I'm trying to stay consistent and be more consistent, so make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be alerted each and every time I upload something new. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and until next time, I'll see you all later. Bye.